Video GMC what is that? Yukons, Silverados. I don't know what other Chevy ones you got. Suburbans, Tahoes. This should be about 2000 and up. Taking the ignition lock off. You lost the keys. You don't want to take it into a place. You just bought it. Don't have the paperwork transfer your name. They're not going to do it. So you're going to need to drill this out. And you're going to take the covers off. There's just a Torx under there. So my videos generally assume you have some knowledge. So you take the covers off. They rip off 1 or 2 bolts under here. This is width. You definitely don't want to go that 7/8 width. And you don't want to mess this up. This is your pass lock. You can change the ignition cylinder anytime. So what we did is we took a 2734 bit. We got all the way up to 2734. And we got down in here. I don't know if you see a slot, like you put a key in there. That's as far as I needed to go. This whole thing overall is 2 1/4 inch long. That's not assuming the ears are on there. And as far as we had to drill, because you don't want to drill too much, we drilled, the most you have to drill is by the pin, and that is 1 3/8 is where that pinhole is. But I just drilled about 1 1/4 inch. And if you can actually drill that pin out, that'd be cool. Now this thing sits this way. So this little tab here is at 6 o'clock. You have to drill out basically at 8 o'clock. So that's towards you, basically towards you, just a little bit lower. This was sitting up top. And once you get that out, all these pins will come out. And then you can turn it. And the ignition lock, once you actually turn it in the column, you'll see a little pinhole. You can press that to let it out if you didn't drill it out already. So no more than 1 3/8 in deep, because this is going to be solid, so you don't want to drill through here. Excuse my video. So hopefully that kind of helps you a little bit what to do, the basics of it without having to over drill it, and definitely make sure you use WD-40 or something to lube your bits, because you might kill them. And the main thing I was able to do is pop the brass pins out. That helped. You'll see those springs coming out. So this is about the 8 o'clock position if you're looking straight forward from the truck or at the ignition lock. And in aftermarkets are about 40 bucks. Ones that are non-coated, which means you can get them made for your key, are about 50 bucks. My local locksmith says everything 95 bucks with lock and stuff. He's about the same price as a corporate place. And now you don't have to have you just bought it. You don't have the title in your name. You can find the codes. The codes are going to be on the lock, and they can make the codes off there. You can't use codes off a door key because the ignition lock has more pins on it. So you need the door. You need to copy the ignition lock, then they'll get you the doors. So it's probably better if you get the same key for everything, and then the VIN will still match up if you have to go to a dealer and get another one made. So I hope you like my videos. Mine are just amateur. I just try to show and help people, and get tired of seeing bad videos out there that don't show you really what you need to do. And I'm trying not to hide anything. So I was able to pull this out carefully. And like I said, 1764 is as wide as I went. I don't want to go any wider, and you want to go more towards your chest, more towards the steering wheel. It's a little bit down, like an 8 o'clock position, and get those pins pulled out. So hopefully that helps you. Thank you for watching.